Hello everyone, we are happy to announce the inaugural ceremony of eIdeathon 2020 jointly organized by Shri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology and Gujarat Technological University, which is powered by Autodesk. In this event there are basically 4 halls according to technology and branches. You all are registered with the computer programming hall, which is the hall number 2. You already get the link of that hall. So congratulations for registering in this event. You already know about the rules and regulation for this event. You have to make a PPT for the idea of problem statement which is given by industry expert and senior academicians in this session. हम आज के सेशन में हमारा जो बेसिक प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट है वो डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. You will get the problem statement in this session and these are the problem definition for the eIdeathon 2020. Basic area of the problem statement is security. You can work on these different types of security: data security in e-governance, application security, data security, web server security, information and network security, smart devices security, cyber security. ये जितने भी एरिया हमने दिए हैं वो एरिया में से आप कोई भी एरिया की सिक्योरिटी के ऊपर वर्क कर सकते हैं. हम कोई परफेक्ट डोमेन आपको नहीं दे रहे, हम एरिया आपको दे रहे हैं. तो विद द यूज़ ऑफ दिस एरियाज आप कोई भी पर्टिकुलर फ्रॉड को लेके उसकी सिक्योरिटी के ऊपर वर्क कर सकते हो. नाउअडेज everyone uses internet, net banking, UPI and digital transitions. So in this ideathon, all of you have to focus on the security. You have to design any kind of flowchart, algorithm, logic or any kind of design for the security in any field of digital platform. These are the kind of attacks done using the digital platform. So kindly make an idea for the security and these are the example of security area. You can pick any of the area in security and make some idea for this problem. So basically आपके पास ये जो हमने दिया है these are the examples of सिक्योरिटी, जहाँ पे हमें सिक्योरिटी की ज़रूरत है ये उसके एग्जाम्पल्स है. ऐसे कोई भी एग्जाम्पल लेके आप अपना आइडिया जो है वो रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हो. पर आपको बेसिकली क्या चीज़ करनी है कि ये जो हमने ये सारे जो आप देख रहे हो आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर, दिस आर द टाइप्स ऑफ अटैक्स डन इन द security area. So basically work on any of the attack and try to resolve this kind of attacks with the use of your logic or your idea. So basically आपको आपका जो आइडिया है वो सिक्योरिटी के हिसाब से रिप्रेजेंट करना है. So all the best for this ideathon and try making your idea for the security. Thank you guys and all the best for this session. Thank you very much.